Let's research snowblowers on Amazon. They do not have the featured option to sort the list by. This means there are no products with more than 1000 4 and 5-star reviews. But take a look at the products that are listed here. Almost every one of them is priced more than $50, and many are selling for more than $200, and some are selling for almost $800, like this one here. And there are so many items here with more than 50 4-star reviews. So this niche clearly satisfies the first rule. Let's now check with Google AdWords Keyword Planner. Just about every phrase the tool returns has the phrase snowblower in it. So you will be able to build a 50 to 100 page site about snowblowers. Let's now check for regional interest and seasonality. Take a look at this graph here. The spikes indicate seasonality. Scroll down to the regional interest section. Demand exists mostly in the US and Canada. Let's see what the demand pattern was in 2015. As you can see, demand exists only in February and late November and December. So this is a seasonal niche. A site in this niche will make money mostly during 2 to 3 months in the year, February and late November and December. For the rest of the year, it might have very little traffic and few sales, if any. You would also want to note that these are expensive, with each unit selling for anywhere between $200 to $800. So your commission per sale is going to be high as well. Should you build a site in this niche? The answer depends on you. If you are okay with the site making money mostly for 2 to 3 months in a year, then you might want to go ahead and do the keyword research.